In the previous lesson, we learned what Kafka Connect is. Now let's understand why you should use it instead of writing custom producer and consumer code. When you need to integrate Kafka with external systems, you have two main options: write custom code using the producer and consumer APIs, or use Kafka Connect. Let's compare these approaches. With custom code, you are responsible for everything. You need to handle connections, retries, error handling, serialization, offset management, scaling, and monitoring. Every integration requires writing, testing, and maintaining code. Every piece of this is your responsibility. If something breaks, you debug it. If you need to scale, you build it. If you need better monitoring, you implement it. This takes significant development time and ongoing maintenance. With Kafka Connect, all of these concerns are handled by the framework. You just configure a connector and Connect takes care of the rest. Notice the difference: you focus on configuration and Connect handles on the complexity. This dramatically reduces development time and eliminates entire categories of bugs. Let's break down the specific advantages of using Kafka Connect. Faster time to market. Instead of spending weeks writing integration code, you can deploy a connector in minutes with just configuration. This means you can deliver data pipelines faster. Proven reliability. Kafka Connect has been battle tested by thousands of companies. The framework handles edge cases, retries, and failure scenarios that you would have to discover and fix yourself with custom code. Standardized operations on your connector use the same REST API for development, monitoring, and management. Your ops team learns one interface for all integrations. Built-in scalability. Need to handle more throughput? Just increase the number of tasks in your connector configuration. Connect automatically distributes the work. No code changes needed. Automatic offset management. Connect tracks where each connector left off, so restarts pick up exactly where they stop. No data loss, no duplicates. There are hundreds of pre-built connectors for databases, cloud services, message queues, search engines, and more. Most integrations require zero code. Let's visualize the time investment difference. Writing custom integration code can take weeks or months, while deploying a connector takes minutes to hours. Of course, Kafka Connect isn't always the only option. Use custom code when you need complex business logic, custom transformation beyond what single message transforms provide, or when you are building a unique integration that doesn't fit existing connector patterns. But for the majority of data integration use cases, moving data between Kafka and databases, files, cloud storage, or search engine, Kafka Connect is the faster, more reliable choice. In the next lesson, we'll dive into the two types of connectors: source and sink connectors.